Alright, from the top again. Alright, when you're ready? Cool. My name is Chris, I'm from Rapid 3D. We look after the Cube and the CubeX 3D printers. This model we have here is the Cube 3D printer. It's an entry-level range. It has a print area of 140mm cubed. And it's actually building this little baby hand up layer by layer in a process called FDM. It's a 3D printing technology. So how it works is we have a spool of material in this cartridge here, and it's actually feeding the material through this tube into the extruder. The extruder is heating it up and laying the plastic down very thin layers, and then layer by layer it's actually building this part up. So anything you have a 3D CAD model of, you can actually transfer to this machine and then print out in a 3D plastic. So the two plastics we have are PLA, which is what we're printing here. It's an organic cornstarch based plastic. It's biodegradable, it's environmentally friendly, and we also print in an ABS plastic, which is an engineering grade plastic. It's the same material they make Lego blocks, iPhone cases and a lot of car parts out of. So 3D printing is definitely changing the product development cycle and is great for students and teachers to help them understand the complete design cycle. So what we do from a printing point of view is we import a 3D model into our printing software here. We set up our print settings depending on how dense or how thick we want the part, and then it's just a matter of hitting the build button, and it goes through and slices that part into very thin layers and generates a build file, which we transfer from the laptop or computer on a USB stick into the machine, select the file, hit print, and then 38 minutes later we'll have a 3D printed object. So some of the parts we have printed here are just an example of the different types and colours of materials we can have here. This is a bigger version of the hand we're currently printing. This is in a glow-in-the-dark material. We've got a little small owl here. You can print your own iPhone case. You can do parts with moving bits such as this ball bearing. Parts with screw threads on them. Little fridge magnets. Nice shark there. Replacement parts like a new arm for your pair of sunglasses, chest pieces. You know, if you can get a 3D model of it, you can print it. You may even recognise this guy.